hindi po tayo nagpapaganda dahil lang maganda tayo, pero maganda tayo dapat sa harap ng Panginoon. Amen? Okay, so thank you very much for the opportunity that I will be sharing my testimony about how powerful is prayer is. So, to be honest, I am so ay, bakit may ganyan? Okay, I'm actually like, my mind is like going everywhere. Sabi kong gano'n, ano kaya yung pwede kong i-testify? Kasi sa dami po ng blessings na na-receive ko, hindi ko na po alam kung ano po yung, kasi kung iisa-isahin ko, baka hindi na po makakapag-ano sila, hindi na po makakapag-preach. Okay? But I wrote it down to summarize everything. So, good morning, brethren.